Hey guys, it's Stefan and welcome back to the channel. As you know, we're working on the MK6 Golf right now, so this is going to be the last video before she goes up for sale. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first things first, we've got a bit of a different setup today, so I'm hoping you can see me alright. It does look like it's picking up okay on the camera. I've had to put up the old race tent because we're fighting the weather, and I need to get this finished as and where I can. So today we're going to try and finish up this, get this colour matched in, get that done. Then once that's done, the Golf's done, we're going to give it a clean, then she's up for sale. So I want to try and get some progress today, so that all I've got to do, not tomorrow because we don't clean on New Year's Day, but on the 2nd of January, which is Tuesday, get her a good inside clean, outside clean and polish, and get her up for sale. So I'm going to mask her up. You guys have seen that plenty of times before. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, so let's get going. I'll get the tripod set up. So what we're going to do is I'm going to scotch brite it back. Then I'm going to give it a clean off with some methylated spirits, and then we'll give it a go getting it finished and sprayed up. And then once I've done that, we'll show you the new car that we've bought. Yeah, it's an exciting one. Time it is now. Time to lick the stamp and send it. Hopefully it goes on better this time. I've got a different make, so we'll see if it's hopefully comes out smoother, and well, let's try. It's on, so let's see how it goes. It looks better. It does look like it's gone on much better, so we'll just let this dry for a little bit, do one more coat like this, and then eventually we'll do a wet on wet coat, and hopefully it'll be alright. Alright, so I've done a few more coats on the car. I didn't bother showing you because you've seen me paint the car quite a few times already. So this is what it looks like now. You see the colour is matching much better down there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to jump to about 3 weeks ago, just before Robin was born, when we had the heavy snow, and I'll show you the new car we've bought. I got up at well, I woke up at 3:30 this morning because I've got to bring the last motocross bike we got to sell. I brought that down south. So while I'm down here, I thought I might as well show you the new motor that we've just picked up. So here we go. Look, here's the key. There we go, look, lovely Ford Fiesta in pink. Perfect motor, eh? Wouldn't get much content out of that though, because apart from the big dent in the roof, there ain't nothing to do with it. So what have we got instead? You might have just seen a flash there, but we have bought the cheapest original ST225 that we could find anywhere in the country, and it's in performance blue. It is an 05 or 55, one of the very early ones. She's completely standard. Now it does have a few little bits like common stuff. The wings are rusted out at the bottom there. It's starting to rust a little bit on the back arches here, but apart from that, she's mint. An ST3, full leather interior, full Recaros, lovely 6-speed box. She has got, let's try and get that in there for you, 132,000 miles. She is completely standard, even to the point we think she's made it 132,000 miles without having a block mod done. This one we're not going to push too far. We're going to do some subtle improvements too, with regards to brakes, suspension, wheels, tyres,
and we will play with the engine just a little bit. But this one we're hoping to get out around 280 to 300 brake. We don't want to take her too far because, like we say, it's very clean, it is standard, and the thing is, these are getting rarer and rarer nowadays. I think I've seen 4 or 5 that are sold on eBay that have then been broke straight away. So they're going like crazy, the amount they're getting scraps now. So I'm just going to jump in and we'll give her a quick start. This is the first time I've actually seen it. Dad went to pick it up, Dad bought it, and we're going to turn that off because we don't want to get done for copyright. But yeah, so obviously the old standard gauges, she's got no lights. The 3 gauges at the top, they all work and function. Nice interior, like I say. The only problem with it is it's 240 mile away. So when we want to do work on it, we're gonna have to sort out either Dad getting up with us or me coming down. It's obviously a little bit tricky at the minute because we've got Bubba due any time. So slightly little bit taxi. Nothing we're going to worry about. Going to play with her and make sure she's all happy. RS clutch and flywheel, and then get that block mod done as well. And we've also, I don't know if you can keep hearing the clicking, that's the self-adjusting headlights we've got to sort out for the Xenons, but yeah. So it's too dark to do any more now, especially under here. I mean, you can just about see, but so that's it. That's going to be it for now. So we're going to give that a couple of days to cure. January the 2nd, I'm going to give all the inside a good clean and a good valet, so that I can get that ready to be sold. Once that's done, we'll give that a wet sand, give it a lacquer, and that's it. Golf's done. All she needs then is a quick service and she'll be out the door. Hey everybody, so happy new year. I hope you had a great one. As you can see now, the paint colour is so much better. It's a much flatter finish. So all I need to do now is give it a wet sand back, give it a lacquer, and then that's it. The Golf is up for sale. The video is going to be finishing there, I'm afraid, because the rain is absolutely torrential outside. It's not looking like it's going to let up anytime soon. So going to give it a couple of days. This will be the last video on the Golf. The Transit will be started as soon as the weather dries out. Do a few things on the Transit. The Golf is up for sale. The Transit is up for sale. The KX 450 2020 is up for sale. The CR 250, that's also up for sale. Literally everything is going because we've got some amazing projects that are coming up on the horizon. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully now we're into the new year. Robin's been born. We can start getting back to some more regular videos. So give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and I'll see you next time.